This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss how to prepare a redrafted or corrected trial balance. So let's get started. Chalo, shuru kara jak. What is redrafted trial balance? Well, preparing a corrected trial balance after detecting and rectifying the errors is known as redrafting of a trial balance or corrected trial balance. Okay, so let's go through the problem. Let's see the problem. Redrafted trial balance. The following is the trial balance prepared by an inexperienced accountant. Redraft it in a correct form. The trial balance as on 31st March 2022. Name of accounts are given here. The amounts of the debit column are given here. The total of debit column is 1,60,000 and the amounts of credit column are given here. And the total of credit column is 1,60,000. So redrafted trial balance মানে কি একজন inexperienced accountant এই trial balance টা prepare করেছে. The total of debit column is equal to the total of credit column. But trial balance is wrongly prepared because এখানে some of the accounts which should have been debited, the inexperienced accountant has credited them. And some of the accounts which should have been credited, he has debited them. So we should rectify. First we should detect the errors and then rectify the errors. যদি এখানে বলা থাকতো যে যেগুলো ভুল করেছে, ফর এক্সাম্পল যে অ্যাকাউন্টসগুলো ডেবিট হওয়ার কথা ক্রেডিট করেছে, গিভ আস দ্য রিজনস যদি বলা থাকতো, তোমাকে বিলো দ্য ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স তোমাকে কিছু শর্ট নোটসও দিতে হবে। যদি একটা অ্যাকাউন্ট ডেবিটের জায়গায় ক্রেডিট করা হচ্ছে, কেন ডেবিটের জায়গায় ক্রেডিট করেছে, তো সেটার জন্য তোমাকে যে অ্যাকাউন্টের ডেবিট হওয়ার কথা অ্যান্ড হি হ্যাজ রিটেন রংলি ইন দ্য ক্রেডিট কলাম, ওয়াই দ্য অ্যাকাউন্ট শুড বি ডেবিট, তার জন্য তোমাকে রিজন দিতে হবে। যদি বলতো গিভ রিজনস অলসো। ওকে, since এখানে বলা নেই, we won't have to write short notes. Okay, so let's see the first account, cash account. Cash account should have been written in the debit column, but the inexperienced accountant has written 60,000 in the credit column. 60,000 should have been in the debit column. Why cash account should have been written in the debit column? Because cash account is a debit balance. Cash falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. Here, cash comes into the business, so cash account will be debited. And 60,000 will be written in the debit column. So let's write. So cash, 60,000. Cash is a debit balance, so we have written 60,000 in the debit column. Let's see the next account. The next account is capital, 75,000. Capital is a credit balance, but he has written 70,000 is a debit balance. Let's rectify and write 75,000 in the credit column. Capital. Capital is a credit balance and he has wrongly written in the debit column. Why capital is a credit balance? Because capital falls under personal account. According to personal account, the giver of the benefit is credit. Here, the proprietor is the giver of capital into the business. So capital account will be credited. Understood? Let's see the next account. Goods bought 40,000, which is correctly written in the debit column. Goods bought mane ki? Goods bought means purchases. Understood? Same thing. Purchases or goods bought, all the same. So let's write goods bought 40,000. Goods bought 40,000. Why goods bought 40,000 in the debit column? Because goods bought or purchases is a debit balance. Because goods bought or purchases falls under real account as well as nominal account. According to real account, when goods are purchased or goods are bought, goods comes into the business. According to real account, what comes in is debit. So when goods are purchased or goods are bought into the business, goods bought will be debited. Understood? According to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Here, when goods are bought, money goes out. So, goods bought is an expense for the business. So, goods bought will be debited. Understood? So let's see the next account. Goods sold. Goods sold 30,000. goods sold is a credit balance. Goods sold means sales account. Goods sold or sales account, all the same. So goods sold should have been written in the credit column, but the accountant has written wrongly in the debit column. So let's rectify and write goods sold 30,000 in the credit column. Goods sold 30,000. Why goods sold we have written in the credit column? Because goods sold means sales account. So sales falls under real account as well as nominal account. According to real account, what goes out is credit. So when goods are sold, goods go out from the business. So goods sold or sales account will be credited. According to nominal account, all incomes and gains credit. Here, when goods are sold, money comes in. So goods sold is an income for the business. So goods sold will be credited. Understood? Let's see the next account. Customers account 50,000. Customers account means debtors account. All the same. Debtors is a debit balance. So 50,000 should have written in the debit column. Instead, the accountant has wrongly written in the credit balance. So let's rectify and write customers account 50,000 in the debit column. Okay? Customers accounts 50,000. Customers account or debtors account is a debit balance. Why? Because customers accounts or debtors account falls under personal account. According to personal account, the receiver of the benefit is debit. Here customer accounts is the receiver of the benefit. So customers account will be debited. Understood? Let's see the next account. The next account is suppliers account. Suppliers account means creditors accounts. All the same. Suppliers account or creditors account should have been written in the credit column. And the accountant has written correctly in the credit column. So let's write suppliers account 25,000. Suppliers account. It's a credit balance and the accountant has written correctly. Suppliers account or creditors account is a credit balance because suppliers account or creditors account falls under personal account. According to personal account, the giver of the benefit is credit. Here, suppliers account or creditors account falls under personal account and suppliers account is the giver of the benefit. So, suppliers account will be credited. Understood? So, let's see the next account. The next account is income tax, 5,000. Income tax will be termed as drawings. আমরা যদি journal entry করতাম, আমরা instead of income tax, we would have written drawings because income tax is a personal expense of the proprietor. But here we'll write as income tax. So income tax comes under personal account since it is a drawing of the proprietor. So according to personal account, the receiver of the benefit is debit. Here, when the proprietor withdraws money from the business cash, he receives cash from the business to pay for income tax. Okay, so income tax will be debited. So let's write income tax 5,000 in the debit column. So let's see the next account. Miscellaneous income 8,000. Miscellaneous income has been wrongly written in the debit column. It should have been written in the credit column. So let's rectify and write miscellaneous income in the credit column. And why miscellaneous income is a credit balance? Because miscellaneous income falls under nominal account. According to nominal account, all incomes and gains credit. Here miscellaneous income is an income for the business. So miscellaneous income will be credited. So 8,000 should have been written in the credit column. So let's rectify and write miscellaneous income 8,000 in the credit column. Okay. Miscellaneous means various kinds of income. Miscellaneous income 8,000 is a credit balance. Okay. So let's see the next account. So let's see the next account. The next account is municipal tax 2,000, which has been correctly written in the debit column. Municipal tax 2,000 is not a personal expense of the proprietor, so municipal tax will be debited. and municipal tax will be termed as municipal tax even in the journal entry. Municipal tax falls under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Here, the accountant has written correctly in the debit column 2000. So, municipal tax will be debited since it is an expense for the business. Okay, let's write municipal tax as 2000 in the debit column. Let's say the last account, assets. Assets is a debit balance, but the accountant has written wrongly in the credit column 25,000. So let's rectify. Assets falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. When asset is purchased, assets comes into the business. So asset account will be debited. Let's write 25,000 in the debit column. Assets 25,000 in the debit column since asset is a debit balance. Now we have rectified all the accounts. কোনো accounts ভুল নেই। যেই অ্যাকাউন্টসগুলো ডেবিট কলামে লেখার কথা আমরা সেইগুলো ডেবিট কলামে লিখেছি, যেই অ্যাকাউন্টসগুলো ক্রেডিট কলামে লেখার কথা আমরা সেগুলো ক্রেডিট কলামে লিখেছি। We have rectified everything. Now let's calculate the debit column. The total of debit column is 1,82,000 and the total of credit column is 1,38,000. After detecting the errors and rectifying the errors also, the total of debit column is not equal to credit column. So, কি করতে হবে আমাদের তখন? We have to write a suspense account because debit sides total is greater than credit sides total. So, debit sides total কত? 1,82,000. এটা আমি আগেই বলেছি while I was doing ledger posting. যে সাইডের টোটালটা বেশি সেটাই আমাদের লিখতে হবে 1,82,000. So, balancing figure কত? 1,82,000 is the total of debit side. So, deduct credit sides total from the total of debit sides. Total of credit side is 1,38,000 and the total of debit side is 1,82,000. So, we have to write 1,82,000 on both sides. So, balancing figure আমাদের কি আসছে? That we have to write as suspense account. Suspense account. This is a balancing figure or BALFIG. Okay. So, how much? 44,000. So, যেখানে আমার shortfall সেখানেই আমাকে লিখতে হবে. So, credit side what is the shortfall? Shortfall is 44,000 because debit side total is greater than credit side total. Credit side debit side total is 1,82,000. The credit side total is 1,38,000. So, 44,000 is less. So, we'll have to write 44,000 in the credit column. So, we'll have to write in the name of accounts as suspense account, balancing figure in bracket. So, 44,000. How we are getting 44,000? The credit sides total should be deducted from the debit sides total and you'll get 44,000. এটা সবসময় হবে না। Always আগে তোমাকে rectify করে নিতে হবে। You should be confident that আমার সব accounts correct আছে। I have written correctly all the accounts. আমার কোনো errors নেই। Everything has been rectified. তখনই যদি না মেলে, trial balance tally না করে, then only তুমি suspense account লিখবে। Just because আমি tally করতে পারছি না, আমি suspense account লিখে দেব? No. First you have to see, double check. আমি সব accounts ঠিক লিখেছি তো? Everything has been rectified. Then only if the trial balance still doesn't tally, then only you'll write suspense account. Okay? Otherwise, 99% suspense account দেয় না class 11 but still যদি দেয় তখন suspense account হবে but for that first you have to recheck the trial balance, double check the trial balance. Okay, then only you write suspense account if the trial balance doesn't tally. Okay, what is suspense account? Sometimes in spite of our best efforts all the errors are not located and the trial balance does not tally. In such a situation, to avoid the delay in the preparation of final accounts, the difference in the trial balance is placed to a newly opened account known as suspense account. And the trial balance will then tally. তার মানে কি অনেক সময় আমরা চেষ্টা করো আমরা সব অ্যাকাউন্টস ঠিক লিখেছি কারেক্ট অল অ্যাকাউন্টস কারেক্টেড উই হ্যাভ রেক্টিফাইড এভরিথিং তবুও আমাদের ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স উই হ্যাভ ডাবল চেকস তবুও আমাদের ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স ট্যালি করছে না তখন আমাদের যেই টোটালটা বড় হচ্ছে, ফর এক্সাম্পল ডেবিট সাইড ইজ গ্রেটার দেন ক্রেডিট সাইড, তবে ক্রেডিট সাইডে যে ডিফারেন্সটা হচ্ছে ডেবিট সাইড মাইনাস ক্রেডিট সাইড, সেই ডিফারেন্সটা আমাকে সাসপেন্স অ্যাকাউন্ট, একটা নতুন অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলতে হবে সাসপেন্স অ্যাকাউন্ট, তো ক্রেডিট সাইডে সেই ডিফারেন্সটা লিখতে হবে। আর যদি ইফ ক্রেডিট সাইড ইজ গ্রেটার দেন ডেবিট সাইড, তাহলে ডিফারেন্সটা ডেবিট সাইড টোটালে লিখতে হবে, তাহলে ডেবিট সাইডের ডিফারেন্সটা লিখতে হবে অ্যাজ সাসপেন্স অ্যাকাউন্ট অ্যান্ড দ্য ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স উইল ট্যালি। বাট তার আগে উই হ্যাভ টু ডাবল চেক কি আমার সব অ্যাকাউন্টস ঠিক আছে, উই হ্যাভ অ্যাক্টিভেট এভরিথিং, কোথাও কিছু ভুল নেই, দেন অনলি উইল ওপেন সাসপেন্স অ্যাকাউন্ট। ওকে, so now the trial balance did tally. Understood? I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful. And before I fade out, please remember, if you see someone without a smile, please give him or her one of yours. Let's spread some happiness and sunshine to people who are spending their days in darkness and sadness. Let's spread love all around. Bye-bye. Take care, stay safe, and stay blessed always.